To my groom on our wedding day. Ryan, right now, you are sleeping across the hall from me. We are so close to being husband and wife. I have imagined this day a million times over the past 14 months. Ryan, I cannot wait to spend the rest of my life by your side. You have taken on every challenge that our relationship has handed to us. Thank you for being you. Kind, loving, supportive, and the best dog dad to our baby Ava. I will see you at the altar, Carrie.
Dear Carrie, today is the day. I am so excited to be able to officially call you my wife in just a few hours. I can't wait to start our lives as a married couple, with so much to look forward to. The house, the dog, seeing the world, raising a family. Even growing old doesn't sound so bad when I get to do it with you. I know the roadmap to today was not the smoothest, but I am so proud of everything you have overcome over the last year. Your passion, creativity, generosity, and thoughtfulness will always shine through any adversity and any bump in the road. I am so lucky to have you in my life. I remember when we first met, I told you and all my friends I was in love with you and that I was going to marry you someday. They all thought I was exaggerating, but it turns out I was 100% right. I love you so much, and I will spend the rest of my life showing you. Yours today, tomorrow, and forever. Love, Ryan.
Ryan and Carrie have chosen to express their vows in their own words, and we will do that now.
I vow to always grow with you and to never settle or become stagnant, to always be understanding and to listen what you have to say, to always fill our home with love, positivity, and a few more dogs. I vow to never go to sleep angry and to always resolve our issues quickly and with empathy. I promise to never pull another gray hair out of my beard because I know how much you like it. I promise, most importantly, to cherish, respect, and love you unconditionally and always put you first, no matter what.
Well, Ryan, here we are. We made it. After loving you for 1,457 days and knowing I would marry you for 409 of them, I stand here before you, ready to marry the love of my life. Ryan, my vow to you is that I will never stop loving you. You can always trust that I have your best interests in mind. I vow to challenge us as a couple to continue to grow. I will meet all future challenges faced on by your side. Ryan, I vow to fill our future home with laughter and to find you joy in the simple things. And lastly, Ryan, I vow to be your safety. I vow to be your greatest confidant, your home, and your protection from the world when it feels too big, and your best friend for life.
Today, Carrie and Ryan exchanged rings and vows and made it official, but they've been family for a long while now. It's evident in their banter, their trust and comfort in each other, and the sacrifices they've made for each other. Carrie and Ryan, I am full of hopes and dreams for you. I wish you both enduring happiness, exceptionally good health, brevity of hard times, essentially all the best that life has to offer. To the bride and groom.
I just want to say, for the past 10 years, I've had the pleasure of getting to know one of the most lovable people in the world. Ryan was once just a random neighbor across the street, didn't know who he was. I was in middle school and we'd say hi. But eventually, I got to know him, and he grew to become one of the most hardworking and friendly and hilarious people that I've ever met. With his big heart and endless love for Carrie, this is just the start of a beautiful marriage. So let's all have a toast to this wonderful couple and their everlasting love.
twice. You must be my once in a lifetime.